Hello, welcome back to students. I am Captain Raila Sanjeev. Once again, welcome to online classes from Department of Chemistry, Government Degree College, Peddapalli. In the last class, we learned about preparations and some of the properties of thiophene. Today, we are going to discuss about pyridine. Pyridine, the major synthesis, Hans synthesis. Yesterday we discussed a single step reaction, this part. For this method of synthesis, now let us go to uh, clear cut mechanism involved in this reaction. Here, Hans synthesis, it involves three steps mechanism. Here, step 1. One of the beta keto ester beta carbonyl compound, that beta keto ester, this is here in the reaction 2 moles of beta keto ester we are using. First mole of beta carbonyl compound on reaction with the aldehyde, here formaldehyde. This is condensation reaction with these compounds, beta carbonyl compound on treated with the formaldehyde, reaction with the formaldehyde. It is named as Navier-Naegel condensation reaction. Navier-Naegel condensation reaction. In this reaction, we are getting unsaturated carbonyl compound. Unsaturated carbonyl compound. There is a unsaturation pi bond is present in this on this carbon. Okay, this is the first step of reaction. Now let us go to step 2, formation of ester enamine. Here in this step, the second mole of beta keto ester or beta carbonyl compound, second mole on reaction with ammonia. In this reaction, there is a loss of water molecule, and to form ester group, here ester functional group, ester enamine. In between ester and amine, there is a double bond, enamine, ester enamine, to form ester enamine. In the first step, we are getting unsaturated carbonyl compound, and in the second step, to form ester enamine, or these two beta keto esters are changed as these compounds. These two compounds, these are produced in step 1 and step 2 products, involves in the step 3. Involves in the step 3. Here observe enamine compound and unsaturated compound on reaction with these two. This it is a addition reaction. In this addition reaction is named as Michael addition reaction. In this addition reaction, here pair of electron on nitrogen atom donates to this side, pi bond cleavages and bonds with unsaturated carbon. This pi bond cleavages, and oxygen gets negative after breakage of pi bond. Here oxygen gets negative and nitrogen atom gets positive charge. In this, from this intermediate here, abstraction of hydrogen by NH3, ammonia. From in this arrangement, here its tautomer structure will get. It's a tautomer structure. Here double bond containing enamine, imine compound is converted as amine. Here to form a new pi bond, and here also to form new pi bond converted as carbonyl functional group. Okay, this is the tautomer structure. From this, nucleophilic addition takes place. Nucleophilic addition, this pair of electron uh, bonds with this carbonyl carbon, cyclized this ring, cyclized to form a this type of cyclic ring. From this, here loss of water molecule, dehydration process will get a dihydropyridine. 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 Please observe in the actual reaction. Here 2 moles of beta carbonyl compound, 2 moles beta ketoester or beta carbonyl compound, 2 moles. In the first step and second step we discussed all these addition of this compound will get a dihydropyridine. All these 3 steps, final 3 step, in the 3 step we are getting dihydropyridine. From this here another 2 steps are involved. One is oxidation. In presence of strong acid, it converts as, here it is a 1,4 first place and fourth place. There is a hydro group, extra hydrogen, because it is called 1,4 dihydropyridine. 1,4 dihydropyridine on oxidation in presence of strong acid, it converts as a perfectly aromatic pyridine ring. From this pyridine ring, here removing of carbon dioxides and ethanols in presence of potassium hydroxide base and calcium oxide. Finally, we are getting 2,6-dimethyl pyridine. It is a substituted pyridine. Second and sixth position, there is a methyl group substituents. Methyl group, it is called 2,6-dimethyl pyridine. Is it clear? In this reaction, this single step reaction, it involves in 3 steps in the mechanism part. Is it clear, all of you? Now let us go to second, another synthesis from 1,5-dicarbonyl compounds. 1,5-dicarbonyl compounds. It is a straight chain compound, 1,5-dicarbonyl compound. After cyclization will get pyridine cyclic ring. Pyridine cyclic ring. In this reaction, please observe, starting material we are using 1,5-dicarbonyl compound, 1 1, this is the first place and fifth place, 1,5-dicarbonyl compound on reaction with the ammonia. In this reaction here, loss of 2 moles of water molecule. Here 2 oxygens removed and the another NH is added in this, cyclized in this place. NH heteroatom is involved in the cyclic ring. Here first place hydrogen and fourth place. There is a hydrogen, fourth place, because it is called 1,4-dihydropyridine. 1,4-dihydropyridine. In this reaction, ammonia reacts with 1,5-dicarbonyl compounds to give 1,4-dihydropyridines, which are easily hydrogenated to pyridines. Here 1,4-dihydropyridine on oxidation in presence of strong acid HNO3, nitric acid we are using. In presence of strong acid, oxidation takes place, will give aromatic pyridine ring. After removing of hydrogen, it is called as oxidation process. Substituted pyridine aromatic, perfect aromatic pyridine. Substituents are there, R1, R2, R3, different alkyl groups. Alkyl groups bonded on the attached on the cyclic ring. Cyclic ring. It is another type of preparation of pyridine. Okay. Now let us go to chemical properties. Chemical properties of this particular pyridine. The first reaction is electrophilic addition to nitrogen. On heteroatom, addition takes place on heteroatom. Here, the first example is protonation reaction. Protonation. This reaction indicates its basic property. Protonation reaction. Here, pyridine ring on reaction with the strong acid, that is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Pyridine on reaction with the acid, it gives salt. Salt. This is the perfect example. Its basic property, basic nature. Pyridine on reaction with the acid, we are getting salts. Is it clear? Because that this reaction indicates its basic property. Here HCl, that H plus ion attacks on nitrogen to form a NH bond. That in that case nitrogen loses electron, it gets positive charge. On that positive charge, Cl minus chloride nucleophile rotates around the positive charge. Rotates around the positive charge. This is called as pyridinium chloride. Pyridinium chloride. This reaction is very important to represent its basic property. Is it clear? Now let us go to another reaction, N-alkylation reaction. On heteroatom, alkylation takes place. Here pyridine ring on reaction with methyl iodide, on reaction with the alkyl iodide, methyl iodide we are using. Methyl iodide, that CS3 plus attacks on here nitrogen. Here CS3 is there. I typed on that CS3 methyl. CS3. In this case, nitrogen heteroatom gets positive charge. Here also same, that around that positive charge, I minus nucleophile rotates around the positive charge. Here it is named as 1-methyl pyridinium iodide. On first place, that heteroatom first place, there is a methyl group attached to nitrogen because 1-methyl pyridinium positive charge because we are calling pyridinium iodide. Is it clear? This is about N alkylation reaction. Alkylation reaction. Now let us go to here also on the same reaction repeated. Pyridine on reaction with the hydrochloric acid, HCl, strong acid. It gives pyridinium chloride. Pyridinium chloride. It is salt-like a structure, positive and a negative charges containing structure. Pyridinium ion. A nitrogen gets positive charge because just like a ammonium, pyridinium chloride. This structure is named as. Here, one more extra information we are giving. What is that extra information? This pyridine, when we compare with the imidazole is a um, diheteroatom. Two heteroatoms are present in the cyclic ring. Two heteroatoms, two nitrogen atoms are present are the formation of cyclic ring. In the formation of cyclic ring, imidazole. When we compare with this imidazole, what about its basic nature? We'll discuss now. It is extra information when we compare with the pyridine with the imidazole. Imidazole is approximately 100 times more basic than pyridine. When we compare with the pyridine, that imidazole compound is more basic, 100 times more basic than pyridine. What is the reason means we will discuss with the suitable reaction, suitable diagrams given below. Please observe the reaction part. Here, protonation of imidazole yields an ion that is stabilized by the electron delocalization. Here, please observe. This is the structure of imidazole. Imidazole, two heteroatoms are present in this cyclic ring. Two heteroatoms, nitrogen and nitrogen. Two heteroatoms are present in the cyclic ring. The same imidazole on reaction with the acid H+, aqueous acid H+. Here we are getting imidazolium cation. Ion we are getting imidazolium cation, positive charged species because we are telling cation, and zolium, same just like ammonium, zolium plus positive charged species, positive charge on heteroatom. Imidazolium cation. Here, this particular imidazolium cation, electrons are participating in the delocalization process in this cyclic ring. Electrons participating in the delocalization process. In that case, it gives another type of resonance structure. Here please observe. In this case, nitrogen, the top nitrogen, it gets positive charge. If the second nitrogen pair of electron donates to this side, this pi bond cleavage takes place and this particular nitrogen gets neutralized. Here another nitrogen heteroatom gets positive charge. Another nitrogen heteroatom will get a positive charge. Here there is a two contributing resonance structures from this cation. But here there is no involvement of delocalization process because we are not getting another resonance structures from the pyridinium chloride. But in imidazole, there is a formation of cation. In that particular cation, the electrons, the heteroatom on the heteroatom electrons are participating in the delocalization process because that it gives two contributing resonance structures. Based on this, the imidazole compound is more basic than pyridine. It is more basic than pyridine. Is it clear? Is there any doubt? It is extra information. It may be uh, this information in PG level. Uh, it may be repeat again in PG MSc chemistry level. Okay, this is about basic property compare with the imidazole. Now let us go to another very interesting topic. Very interesting topic. It is electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions in pyridine. How is it? Which structure on which process is more stable? It gives more stabilized resonance structures. We'll discuss step by step. Okay, this is very important. Please, all the students, please concentrate on this particular slide. If you understand this particular slide, how the electrophilic substitution takes place on the pyridine, based on this slide, we can write various different chemical properties of this particular pyridine. Because that all the students please concentrate here. Pyridine gives electrophilic substitution reaction at third position. Here we are indicating C2, C3, C4 type of substitution reactions, substitution contributing structures. But we are strongly telling electrophilic substitution reaction at third position gives more stabilized resonance structures. How is it? We'll discuss why the attack of electrophile on C3 position is more stable. What is the reason? How the different contributing structures are there. What about in C2, C4? We'll discuss. Here, if the attack of electrophile E plus positive charged species on C2 position. Before going to this C2 and C3, C4, the electron density on the ring of pyridine is less when we compare with the pyrrole. The electron density is more on cyclic ring in pyridine. Just in the last class we studied. In ferrol, the electron density is more on cyclic ring. In ferrol particularly. Here the electron density on the cyclic ring of pyridine is less even though it is aromatic. Even though the pyridine is aromatic, the electron density is less on cyclic ring. Please concentrate. Even though if electrophile attacks on C2 position here, C2 position means breakage of this pi bond, electron shifted to C2 side, nitrogen atom gets positive here, positive, if this is one of the contributing structure. Next, if pi bonded electron shifted to this side, this pi bond shifted to this side, here positive charge, this corner carbon gets positive. If again this pi bond electron shifted to this side, this corner gets positive. These are the contributing resonance structures when the electrophile positive charge species attacks on C2 position. C2 position. Now let us go to C3 position. If the electrophile attacks on C3 position. C3 position means this pi bond, C3 C4 pi bond cleavage takes place, that electron shifted to C3 carbon. Okay, attack of electrophile easily on C3. C4 gets positive here. This is one of the contributing resonance structure. From this, if the pi bond electron shifted to this side, C6 carbon gets positive. From this we can write another structure. If the pi bond electron shifted to this side, to form a new pi bond, in between C6 and heteroatom, and C2 carbon gets positive. From this we cannot write another structure. If we write here loss of H plus or loss of E plus, we will get a original structure. Is it clear? From this we cannot produce or we cannot write another new one. These are the contributing resonance structures from attack of electrophile on C3 position. Okay. Now we'll go to C4 position when attack of electrophile on C4th carbon. Here please observe. C4th carbon on C3C4, in between C3C4 pi bond cleavage takes place. The electron moves to C4th side. Attack of electrophile E plus positive charge easily on C4. In that case, C3 carbon gets positive. This is one of the contributing resonance structure from C4 attack. From this, if the pi bond shifted to this side, in that case, nitrogen heteroatom gets positive. This is second type of resonance structure. Here, breakage of this particular pi bond, the shifting of this particular pi bond. Here, after shifting, this corner carbon, C5th corner carbon gets positive. This is the another type of resonance structure. From this, we cannot write another new one, because here loss of E plus or loss of H plus, we will get a product. We will get a product. These are the possibilities. These are the possibilities if the electrophile positive charged species, if the electrophile attacks on C2 position or C3 or C4 position, will get this type of various contributing resonance structures. All these structures, which one is more stable, which is less stable, what is the reason means, we'll discuss. Okay, here please observe, generally nitrogen heteroatom in the pyridine ring, nitrogen heteroatom, it is highly electronegative atom, highly electronegative atom. So the positive charge on nitrogen atom destabilize structure. If the nitrogen atom in these three, each step, C2, attack of electrophile on C2 position, C3 position or C4 position, it may give three types of structures. In those structures, on heteroatom, it may be positive charge. That type of structure may be destabilized structure. Destabilized structure. Here, attack at C2 and C4. Attack at C2 and C4 generates nitrogen positive containing intermediates. Please observe in the structures. Here, attack of electrophile on C2 position. The first structure, it is positive charge containing resonance structure. It is a unstable structure. Nitrogen is a electronegative atom. Always it holds negative charge on heteroatom. But here we are getting positive charged nitrogen resonance structure. It is a unstable structure, destabilized structure. From C2, one of the destabilized structure we are getting. Next we will go to C4. C4, this is the first structure, there is no positive. But here second structure, in second structure, the nitrogen atom, heteroatom, it has a positive charge. It contains positive charge. This structure is a unstable structure. Due to that reason, from C4th, attack of electrophile on C4th, it gives only two structures, not three, only two structures. In the same manner, attack of electrophile on C2 position, here also it gives only two stable structures, only two stable structures, this one and this one, unstable structures, unstable intermediates we are getting from C2, attack of electrophile on C2, and C4 generates nitrogen positive containing intermediates. It is less favorable. Here, one more information, please observe. Only C3 is favorable. Only C3 is favorable as it cannot generate nitrogen positive intermediate. Here, please observe in the structures. See, attack of electrophile on C3 position. Attack of electrophile on C3 position here. C3 position. In between C3 and C4, pi bond cleavage takes place, and these pi bonded electrons shifted to C3 side. That C3 carbon gets negative and attracts and bonded with the electrophile. This is the positive charge. Here, the various contributing resonance structures. Please observe in all these structures on heteroatom, on nitrogen atom, there is no positive charge in all these structures. When the attack of electrophile on C3 position, we are getting various resonance structures. There is no positive charge on nitrogen atom because that the C3 attack of electrophile on C3 is favorable. Is favorable. Based on this information, we understood generally pyridine electrophilic substitution reactions. Various reactions, examples, nitration, sulfonation, acetylation, all those examples, reactions. The electrophile, the positive charged species, the electrophile generally attacks on C3 position. What is the reason means? It gives uh, a favorable, a stabilized nitrogen positive charged, there is no nitrogen positive charged intermediate. It gives more resonance stabilized structures. Clear? Attack of electrophile on C3 only. This is the reason. Is it clear, all of you? Now let us go to a suitable example for this reaction. Here please concentrate these two examples. Electrophilic substitution reactions. First we will go to discuss about nitration. Nitration, pyridine ring on reaction with nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid. Concentrate sulfuric acid, H2SO4 and HNO3, concentrate sulfuric acid. Heat the reaction mixture to forms 3-nitropyridine. 3-nitropyridine. 3-nitropyridine is the major product. In this reaction, we are not getting any other type of product. What is the reason means? Just now we discussed. C3, from C3, electrophile attacks on C3 position. It gives more stable resonance structures. Generally, electrophile positive charged species on C3 position only. Attack C3 position only. Because that here we are getting 3-nitropyridine is the major product. Is it clear? This particular nitro NO2 nitro group attacks on third position. It is the best example for electrophilic substitution reaction. Now let us go to another example. sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation. Here, sulfonation, electrophile SO3H, sulfonation. SO3H electrophile attacks on same C3 position. C3 position. Here, please observe. First, we'll discuss for this reaction. Pyridine is very resistant to sulfonation. Using concentrated sulfuric acid or oleum. We can also use oleum. Addition of mercuric sulfate in catalytic quantities allows smooth sulfonation reaction. Here we are using a catalyst, that is mercuric sulfate, HgSO4. Please observe, HgSO4, mercuric sulfate. Pyridine, this is a starting material, pyridine on reaction with the sulfuric acid in presence of this particular catalyst. This particular mercuric sulfate catalyst we are using in this reaction. This reaction proceeds in a smooth manner. Because that purpose we are using a catalytic quantity, a small quantity we are using mercuric sulfate. Heat the reaction mixture at 220 degrees centigrade. 220 degree centigrade. Heat the reaction mixture. Generally, from this H2SO4, it cleavages SO3H electrophile. It produces SO3H electrophile. That is particular SO3H electrophile attacks on third position. Attacks on third position. It will get third substituted pyridine. This is called as pyridine 3-sulfonic acid. Pyridine 3-sulfonic acid. Is it clear? Electrophilic substitution reactions. Suitable examples to understand very easily for this pyridine. Is it clear, all of you? Electrophilic substitution reactions. The next one, nucleophilic substitution reactions are there, because that there is no sufficient time. In this short time we cannot cover, because we'll stop here. Tomorrow we'll discuss nucleophilic substitution reactions. That is also very interesting reactions, interesting part. So all the students, this pyridine cyclic ring, please concentrate and please repeat, please name reactions, practice your own. We will meet, all the students will meet tomorrow at the same time. Okay, thank you one and all.